Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and use the high-end voice mode on the Claude AI web interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to manage their studio bookkeeping or market analysis while keeping their hands free for other 2026 technical tasks. Let's get into it. First, access the Web Soundwave protocol. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your high-end audio session. On the Claude web interface, the voice trigger has been technicality integrated into your standard chat window. Log in to your Claude.ai account and start a new chat. Look for the Soundwave symbol, represented by vertical bars, in the lower right corner of the chat box. Click the icon to technicality shift from text-only mode into the voice interface. This is the foundation phase. The web version of voice mode is a professional standard that allows for a high-end immersive studio experience directly on your desktop or laptop without needing separate software. Next, authenticate and choose your voice identity. A high-end studio experience requires a vocal tone that matches your professional intent. You must technicality select your AI companion's identity. Navigate to Settings, General, and scroll to Voice Settings. Preview and select one of the high-end voice profiles. You can adjust the pacing to ensure your technical bookkeeping responses are delivered at a speed that fits your workflow. This is the identity phase. Customizing the voice is a professional mechanical necessity. It technicality ensures your market analysis interactions feel natural and high-end, improving your focus during long studio sessions. And that's pretty much it. To activate voice mode on the 2026 web app, click the Soundwave icon in the chat box and technicality select your preferred voice in the settings. Candidly choose between hands-free or push-to-talk based on your environment. Use hybrid input for high-end technical precision. And finally, verify the live transcript before finalizing. This professional workflow ensures your 2026 studio is technicality optimized for hands-free productivity. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.